Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Travis Preston, aka Mr. Travels, and today I'm in another country. I'm in Sweden. I'm in the capital city, Stockholm. My hotel is directly behind me. It's the Clarion. It's supposed to be a great location to get to all the points of interest that I'm going to show you today on this video. So I'm going to be doing a walking tour of the city. And right now it's about 7 something in the morning here. I'm trying to get a up and at 'em type of start. Now already I noticed that people are actually up and at 'em. Unlike Oslo. When I was in Oslo, literally when I went outside, it was like nobody outside until about 9, almost whatever. So yeah, you can see traffic flowing and stuff like that. So all right, so enough of that. Let's go and get to the first points of interest, which I have no idea. I'ma wing it a little bit, so let's go. Okay guys, so we just got to the first point, which is City Hall. Wasn't that long of a walk from the hotel. So essentially it was built between 1911 to 1923 to the design of Ragnar. I'm not gonna pronounce the last name, not gonna butcher it. It became the most famous building. It was a total of 8 million bricks was used. So that's pretty hard. You can see the little statue right on the corner, so I'm sure they got it all around the building. Right now it's currently closed, and it's gonna open later on during the day, but hey. Yeah, so on the location where the City Hall was built, there was an earlier mill. The famous, I'm not gonna pronounce his name, was ravaged by fire in 1878. So it burnt down, they rebuilt the City Hall right where it stands, all right? So let me know what you guys think of the City Hall. All right, guys, so I was mistaken. I know I said I thought it was closed, but that's what my GPS was telling me, that it was closed. But the front door was open and it leads to this little courtyard. So I think the courtyard's pretty cool. It has a great view of the water to my right. I'm gonna go over there in a second, but yeah, I definitely wanted to come back and say, hey, it is open as far as the courtyard. I'm not sure if you can get to it from that side or this door has to be open, but that's the way I came in. So, has like little gold statues all over the place on top of the roofs. And also they have a huge oak tree that was dedicated to the kids. So it was dedicated to the kids in 2006 as a meeting place for children. So that's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna show you the views of the, I guess that's the river. So let's take a walk. So one of the things that I noticed just all over Europe, there's some bike riding people, boy, I tell you that. Walking, biking, hiking, climbing, anything. They get it in over in Europe. And I'm sure Americans do too, but not like this, not to this level. I haven't seen a lot of obese people or big people. Now granted, I'm not traveling all across the country, but just in the capital itself, I see a lot of people getting it in, as you can see clearly behind me, that they riding pretty goddamn fast in khakis and slacks. So, shout out to Europe. So walking from the city hall, I just got to my next point, which actually a knockout too. So this building right here is the Royal Swedish Opera. All right, and then the statue in front of it is Gustav Adolf Torg, which I'm assuming Torg just means statue, maybe in Swedish. But yeah, the statue is hard as I don't know what. Like I said, that's the opera house if you guys are interested in opera. And there's plenty of things in this little area. If you can see a lot of buildings that look interesting, that's probably a points of interest. I just have to Google them to see. But overall, I'm really feeling the statue. The statue look hard. So I just crossed the bridge, seen a very, very interesting building. Not sure what it is, probably a museum or something. But I thought it was dope, so that's why I kind of filmed that. But right behind me, as you can see, is the Royal Palace. You see the sign? It's actually all of this long stretch of building. Hopefully these steps are open. I'm not sure if the courtyard or whatever it is on the other side is open, but I'm about to go up these steps and hopefully it's open. I can show you guys the courtyard or something. Okay, guys, so I made it up the stairs. So it was open. It's a nice open courtyard. As you can see, that's the Royal Palace standing behind me. They have a few guards. I think there's some guards kind of walking up. I'm trying to get the angle. Yep, walking up. So they kind of do like a changing of the guards, I guess, because the guy he just started walking. So if you ever been to Arlington Cemetery in Washington, D.C., you should definitely check that out. But yeah, like I said, this is the Royal Palace. It's not open to the public right now. But like I said, the courtyard is. But y'all let me know what y'all think. And also I want to take a time to make sure, hey, pause. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment at the end. And always recommend, please, trying to grow this channel. All right, guys, let's keep walking. All right, guys, so right down the street from the Royal Palace is the Nobel Peace Museum. It's not the center, but it's the museum. So the center is in Oslo, okay? And you can check that on my other previous video of Norway. So it's in a small little courtyard, as you can see, very vintage. I think these two little buildings, they look pretty cool, right? So right in front of the museum, you can't miss it, is a old, some type of fountain or something. I was trying to spin around a little bit, but as you can see, so once you see the fountain, just look directly in front of it and you'll see the center. So currently it's closed right now, but I will come back a little later to check it out on my off time. All right, so right now I'm probably gonna walk in this direction. I believe the old town is that direction, so hopefully it is. Let's go check it out. So currently I'm walking in Old Town now. So if you remember those two colorful buildings, the red and I think yellowish, those are a point of interest. Just because I guess of the color scheme and just the way they look. But yeah, so you can see the streets are a lot more narrow in Old Town, Stockholm. So I'm just kind of just walking through. I'm going to kind of show you guys, some of the stuff in Old Town. I'm not sure. I think it's just, like I said, it's just old. So, it's a truck coming. Let me get out its way.